And this song isn't mine. The machine wrote it, and I hate it.